Hello student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 42 inside the human body. In this chapter we have studied about the some advanced machine and who observe the inside the body organs. But before that we have discussed about the homework those are given in previous online class. As you know that in previous online class I have given homework learn filling blanks and match the following up lesson 41. I repeat. I hope all of you learned the fill in blanks and match the following of lesson 41 in proper way. And I request you after watching the video, you have to write name, class, and section for your attendance. This is a compulsory for you. And also, I request you have to complete all exercise of explain lessons in proper way. Today we have discussed about the lesson 42 inside the human body. Medical sciences medical science has progressed leap and bound in the last few decades. Availability of new medical equipments and newer technologies have helped in lowering the mortality rate. Here, now, with the help of descriptions provided below, can you identify the name of the diagnostic test that is being referred to? Here, now first is electrocardiogram. This medical test records the electrical signals of the human heart and detects any sign of the heart disease. It shows the electrical activity of the heart with the help of a graph. This test is done by placing electrodes on the patient's limbs and on the chest. Electrocardiogram ECG or EKG record the electrical signal from your heart to check your for different heart conditions. Electrodes are placed on your chest to record your heart's electrical signals, which cause your heart to beat. The signals are shown as a waves on a attached computer monitor or printer. Okay, now next. Now next is X-ray. High energy electromagnetic radiation is passed through the body to get an image of the bones and other structures present inside the body. Issues like bones fractures, pneumonia, pulmonary tuberculosis, etc. can be detected using this procedure. X-ray are a type of X-ray are a type of radiation called electromagnetic waves. X-ray imaging creates picture on the inside of our body. This image show the parts of our body in different shades of black and white. This is because different tissues absorb different amount of radiation. Calcium in bones absorb X-ray the most, so bones looks white. Fat and other soft tissues absorb less and they look gray. Air absorbs the least, so lungs looks black. The when we have an X-ray, we wear a lead apart to protect certain parts of our body. The amount of radiation we get from X-ray is small. For example, a chest X-ray gives out a radiation dose similar to the amount of radiation we are naturally exposed to from the environment over 10 days. Next is magnetic resonance imaging. This imaging technology is used by radiologists to give the detailed picture of the human anatomy. With the help of a scanner that uses strong magnetic field, this technology is used to diagnose a disease as well as monitor and ongoing treatment. Actually, magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) is a medical imaging technique is used in radiology to form pictures of the anatomy and the physiological process of the body. MRI scanner use strong magnetic field gradients and radio waves to generate images of the organs in the body. The development of the MRI magnetic resonance imaging scan represents a huge milestone for the medical world. Doctors, scientists, and researchers are now able to examine the inside of the human body in high detail using a non-invasive tool. The following are examples in which an MRI scanner would be used. First, tumors, cysts, and other anomalies in various parts of the body, anomalies of the brain and spinal cord, injuries or abnormalities of the joints such as back and knee, certain type of heart problems, diseases of the liver and other abdominal organs. The evolution of pelvic pain in women with cause including fibroids or endometriosis and tumors and breast cancer screening for women who face high risk of breast cancer. Now next is positron emission tomography. This procedure is an amalgamation of biochemistry and nuclear medicine and used for patients suffering from brain or cardiac issues or with cancer. This test measures the metabolic activity of tissues within the human body. A radio tracer that is radioactive in nature is used to study the particular tissues or organs. Actually, PET, positron emission tomography, is a functional imaging technique that uses radioactive substances known as radio tracers to visualize and measure change in metabolic processes and in other physiological activities including blood flow, regional chemical composition and absorption. Now next is a bone mineral density. This procedure is used mostly on women, aged people and patients suffering from osteoporosis to measure the amount of calcium and other minerals in the bones. With the help of X-ray, it is also commonly known as X-ray absorptiometry test. Bone density testing can be done in several ways. The most common and accurate way uses in dual energy X-ray absorptiometry DEXA scan. DEXA uses low dose X-ray. Okay, there are two types of DEXA scan. Central DEXA, you lie on a soft table. The scanner passes over your lower spine and hip. In most cases, you do not need the undress. This scan is the best test to protect your risk for fractures, especially of the hip. Next is a peripheral DEXA. This smaller machine measures the bone density in your wrist, fingers, legs, or heel. These machines are in healthcare offices, pharmacies, shopping centers, and health fairs. Now write homework of lesson 42 inside the human body. Homework is learn name the following of lesson 42. Learn name the following of lesson 42 in proper way. And I request you, after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. This is compulsory for you. And thank you for watching this video, and God bless you. And I request you, again I request you, please, you have to complete all work of your subject GK in copy in proper way. Okay, thank you.